Hey folks, it's Ben. We're here in our 2006 Chevy HHR. We're going to be doing a bunch of service work on it, being brand new. So you get to learn with us on how to do things. First thing we're going to do after the oil change is we're going to change the cabin air filter. So go ahead and rip that puppy open. So what you do is you actually open up the glove box. So there's these little tabs that you push, close it a little bit, and you can push out of the way. See, it's right there, that little tab. You got to push it up, and that lets it drop all the way. Now, what do we got up here? We got that little door.
There's 3 tabs.
There are 3 tabs in it.
They just click down, and then the whole door just pulls down.
Oh, that looks bad.
It's pretty bad looking.
And a lot of you don't know that this exists, so that's why you get
One's
like this.
It's bad. It's really full of dirt.
Yikes. Yep.
And fur.
That is awful. So what we're using today, and we already took it out of the box, is that's a Pro Select commercial air filter. We get it from Napa, even though we're not paid by them to do so. We do it anyway. And we're dealing with part number 224882 cabin air filter. And here it is. And on the side, there's an arrow indicating airflow. It points down, so air comes to the fan that way, so keeps the fan clean too.
It just slides in the hole where the other one came out of, and then the door closes with 3 little clicks, and then this closes behind it.
And that's that. So especially when you're like us who live on the gravel or the dirt somewhere, if you have your windows closed, all the air goes through that cabin filter before it gets in your car, so your car inside will usually stay pretty clean. If you have any comments or questions on that, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. Do appreciate you viewing. Subscribe to my channel, Turbo231, for more videos of every sort of kind. And we will see you next time. I'll run the cards now.
This door panel is loose.
The inside one? Oh, yeah. It might need a little push in.
There's looks like somebody put a screw in it. It's not there now. Yeah, you can see the...
Cool. We'll have to take a look at that.